Welcome back, guys. It's me, Mixer, and today we're back in survival series of JurrasiCraft, and a lot of stuff happened off camera, as you can notice, as you can see, not notice. I have these. I was just exploring, I was exploring the world. I ran into a village, and I was like, oh, nice. There's no blacksmith though. And then I see a weird house that I'm like, that's definitely modded. So I went in the house, and I saw these four, what you call it? Devices? You could call it that. Yeah. One's a DNA sequencer, one's a DNA synthesizer, and then one's a DNA extractor. And also, I can almost make a helicopter. I'm sort of close to making a Ford Explorer, like this. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I'm gonna spawn it, but I won't use it. Duh. Okay, wait. I'm gonna do this. Look, this is what it looks like. And obviously I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna throw it away. Yeah. Okay. Throw it over there. And it's gone. Okay. Ouch, I hit my elbow. Now, along with those is, I was also trying to make helicopter, as I showed you, but one of the ingredients for a helicopter is an engine, and the engine needs a comparator, and I'm sure you guys know what this is. A portal. Now, all I need to do is get some flint, and then I'll be going to the nether to get some quartz so I can make an engine. We can make a freaking car and heli. Like, damn. Also, if you're curious how I got the obsidian, I used the bucket trick, which is you place lava in the order of how you would place a portal, and just put water on it so it turns it to obsidian. Ooh. Also got a lot of sugarcane. Yeah. This is nice. This is a lot. And it's not even an automatic farm too. I'd actually like to visit our old world, cause me and my cousin built a pretty big world when I'm gonna try and go get gravel while I'm telling you the story. We built a pretty big world on version 1.14.4, and now before wiping the computer to change the what just happened? What happened? Oh, it's just a lag spike. Okay. That's weird. Okay. Back to the story. I feel like we spent like a month playing it, and then we just didn't anymore. No, not a month. We definitely played longer than a month or two. So I'd say like 2.5 maybe. That's like the lowest estimate I'd say. And like we had 2 malls. Like, if you've ever watched Grian, you know that he joined like Hermitcraft. And Hermitcraft has like a bunch of stores. But Green slightly owns Sahara. So, is it Sahara? I haven't watched him in a long time, so I'm forgetting. But that. So basically, think about that, but there's two. Like, it was pretty impressive. There was only two of us, and we got pretty far. We literally had full diamond armor, and we were trading in emeralds. Like, sure, emeralds aren't that rare, especially when you get villagers, but like, we had such a big system, and I want to visit it again. We even had a railway system down our mine, and also another railway system towards the village that we got our what is it called? Villagers from. Like, damn. Okay, since I only need like one, I'm just gonna get like 4 gravel, put it in my offhand, and mine away, I guess. Never mind. That didn't work. Let's put that on 1. Z1, yeah. Nope. Z, then 1, and then that, and then Z, and then this, and then 1, and then Z, yeah. Should I be? I remember when Minecraft was old, I used to mine gravel with a I didn't know what gravel was, so I'm like, I'm gonna mine it with my axe, and then I got flint. I'm like, interesting, do I always get flint if I do that? But I don't, yeah, that doesn't work. I'm just testing if it can even give me any. I'm pretty sure even just using a shovel will give you flint. How is that? Oh, he's under the tree. The flip and lag. I don't want to die right now. Probably should have just crafted armor with the tons of iron I have. There it is. Okay. That doesn't look good. So yeah, I'm gonna just do this. Yep. I have an appreciation for nature in Minecraft. So, okay, let's go back. Actually, just so I don't waste time. There. I know it's cheating, but I'm trying to cram everything that's entertaining into this video just so it's not boring. Yeah, so please don't blame me for cheating. But here we go. Flint and steel. Here we go. Flip. I should probably make some iron though. But I'ma light it. And then let's go. Then I'ma make some iron. So okay. Here it is. The portal. Oh yeah. That was anticlimactic because there's no achievement. Why is there no achievement? I feel like the achievement was new. I mean, this is only 1.12.2, but come on. Let me just like clear my hacking inventory. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Went to the swamp and also collected these for the wheels, because apparently that's what wheels are made of in Minecraft, or at least in JurrasiCraft. And then let's put the bones in here. I also got these. I'm like, oh damn. There's a ton of those. Is that all I need? Like, except for the armor. Where is my iron? Am I blind? Or do I just... Did I use it all? I might have used it all. Might have. Yeah, I did. Really stabbed myself in the foot there. Oh gosh, I don't know why I even said that. I guess we'll go without any armor, which is stupid, but I'll do it. Okay, just hope the game doesn't crash on me. So, okay. This is so freaking exciting because I can finally make a helicopter and not have to cheat it in. But I actually not have to. Or, yeah. It'd be pretty awesome. Oh, there's the achievement. Okay, so got an achievement. So here's the quartz that we need. And that's it, we can go back. I want to explore just like a tiny bit more, and then I'm gonna go back. Yeah. So, I feel like it'd be a good move to make it. Oh, I just remembered something from our old world. Not really old, but previous big world. We had such a good nether system. We even had a pigment farm. We were rich on gold. That was good times. Now I just need to transfer the file of the world to my launcher. Okay. Just want to explore just a tiny bit. I guess get soul sand if I need to. Oh, no. Actually, I could just... Can't really put myself out, can I? So, I hope that frame rate's not too bad while recording. Because for me, it's like... slightly bad, but it's not... It's decent. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, that's a bunch of mushrooms. Wanna get those. Definitely wanna get those. This is a pretty good nether generation. Because normally you'd have to from our previous world, we literally had to mine to just get somewhere. And luckily, I did get somewhere. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. There's more. Someone just messaged me. I'll look at it later. Okay. So I guess we can go back now. Frick. It just lagged. It's lagging. Way too much. Eat! Ow! Dude! The lag is so irritating. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. You can't just attack me without killing me if you actually can kill me. I killed it. I didn't even mean to. guessed you. That's good. And I guess we'll just... Oh. Where was the portal? I mean, I could just jump in lava because, like, there's keep inventory. Yeet! This is so unnatural, but... Oh gosh. It's faster. So, since we have the things, I can now... okay, so I just need to smelt... I have cobblestone on me, so yeah, okay. Smelt that. Look for a bit of redstone. And yes, I will eventually make my house. Which I don't know what will look like, but probably something like my house before on the big world we had. This feels weird because feels like I'm talking to someone even though I'm not. I mean, I can be talking to you. You, the person watching this video. Whoever you are, you're probably a friend of mine because no one else watches my videos. A friend or relative. I forgot what to do. Okay, let's go over here. And second page, this. I need 3. That explains it. Yeah. I've been doing this for like 10 days straight. Not like actual days, but Minecraft days. Yeah. Frick, nope. Need to go over here. Make that. Nope. I didn't mean to. Get away. I could just like put a fence, but that would take too much wood. Okay. Make that. And the recipe's good. It's like... Did I even take it? Yeah, I did. So there, the recipe's done. I can make a helicopter. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna switch it up. There. Turn that off. Click R so I can... Yeah. So I can look at its recipe and this one. Yeah. No, stop it. Stop it. I'm in the process of making a helicopter. Stop it. And then I just grab these. Yes. Oh, that's so awesome. Okay. I thought I'd take like... oh, frick. Yes. Dude, I actually crafted it. Oh, your boy has a heli. Oh my, it's flipping 3D. Yeet. I'm gonna fly this. I've tested the how to control these on a different world. It's not a survival world, so it wouldn't be. Oh, this is so freaking fast and cool. Oh wow. Wait, I have a question. Can I bring this in the nether? I know it's a bad idea, but can I bring this in the nether? I wanna see. Me wanna see. Oh gosh. And I'm descending. Yeah, I was descending pretty fast. So, hop out. Change perspective. Mine it. Yeah. Oh my. I have a freaking heli. This might be a bad idea. I hope I don't lose it. I mean, it'll be easy, quite easy to get it back, but I hope I don't lose it. Ooh. Am I just... Is there seriously a ghast? I hope this is like fast. So I'm just hoping this is faster than the ghosts' fireballs. And oh, I can bring it. Oh, that's stupid. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, I can fly in the freaking nether. This is like using cheats, but you actually progressed in the game. Okay, now I can explore a lot more now. I don't want to like use its whole. Nope, that's a bad idea. That's a bad idea. That'd be a bad move on my part. Okay, let me just see. Anything around? I don't see anything. And yes, my render distance is low because it might lag. And I don't want like a super lag. I don't want like super laggy content. Oh, frick, 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 frick. Go down. Ah! That was a bad idea. What the hell hit me? That was a bad idea. Like I thought, but I feel like I'll still get it back. Problem is, I don't know where I went. That's a very bad idea. Question is, what hit me? Because I actually didn't see. Was it lava? There's no way it was lava. Because it was like sudden. Lava would be like all up in my face and then like slowly tick damage it. Frick. I literally just crafted it and now I lost it. Oh, no. I mean, I'll probably just craft another one off cam. Oh! 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 Actually, I don't mind that it went down. I'm just blind. Look at that. If I could just get my helicopter back, that'd be awesome. I literally went past it. I think it was over there, right? It's over there, right? It was over there, right? Okay, fine. If I don't find it, I'll probably just craft one off cam. If it was a... I don't know what happened. I'm trying to think of possibilities of what happened. What happened? Is this the place? It might have been lava. Or maybe a gas took it down. Still though. If I was just more careful. It was pretty awesome though. I think I saw that while I was flying by. So, I have a feeling it went over here or there. But I didn't see it over there, so might be here. Wait, no. It was definitely close to lava. That's... Huh? Wait, what? Why is that just now, like, dropping? Is there like an explosion? What? Or was it just because I only... I think I lost my helicopter. That's not good. That's not good, is it? It was near lava. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna find it. Would have been awesome if it didn't blow up. because it's easy to spot a green helicopter in like on netherrack. Like all the colors here: maroon, red, like brown, white, and I guess black. Okay. Yeah. I'm not gonna find that. I'm definitely not gonna be able to find it. Well, I'm gonna go back to the overworld. And I'll see you back when I get the materials, or I mean, like when I get my helicopter back, because I'm gonna grind again. And that would be pretty boring, so I don't want to just like, oh my gosh, it's been 26 minutes and I've done nothing. Frick. I don't. I don't know. Do I want to end it here? Yeah, sure, I will. I'll just post later again, because I have a lot of free time, so I might as well post like 4 times or 3 times a day, because I'm always bored. So I guess I'll see you